Okay, class 12, we are continuing the chapter integration by the method of substitution. Next, sum number 15. This is 4 marks questions. Integral dx by square root of 4x plus 3 minus square root of 4x minus 3. It is given to us. Okay, at first we will just do the rationalize that we did in class 10. Okay, then dx, how to do it? Oh, it's better we will write it here, this side. And let us multiply this 4x plus 3 under root minus 4x minus 3 under root. This conjugate term, we will multiply the denominator with its conjugate term, and similarly we have to multiply the numerator also. Numerator only 1 is there, so write here 4x plus 3 plus square root of 4x minus 3. This is thirds. Okay. So square root of 4x plus 3 minus square root of 4x minus 3. It is given and its conjugate term 4x plus 3 plus square root of 4x minus 3. Okay, dx. Now, numerator part is there, that we have to write 4x plus 3 plus square root of 4x minus 3 this way. And denominator, since it is multiplied with its conjugate term, so easily we can write now a plus b into a minus b form, and this is square minus b square. So as square root of 4x plus the square root is there, its square means only 4x plus 3. Similarly, a square minus b square, the b term is square root of 4x minus 3, square means only 4x minus 3, so it is 4 minus 4x plus 3. Okay, so dx plus 4x minus 4x will be cancelled, 3 plus 3 is 6, 1 by 6 we can take it outside the integration sign. So it is coming 1 by 6 integral 4x plus 3 plus square root of 4x minus 3 dx. Okay, now let us separate the integral part. Integral 4x plus 3 means this way, plus 3 dx. Similarly, it will be 1 by 6 integral square root of 4x minus 3 dx. Okay, put 4x plus 3 is equal to, since this is under root here also, this is under root. So at first if we take 4x plus 3 as p square, then what we will get? 4 dx is equal to 2p dp. Let us write here. Then what we will get? 4 dx is there. 4 dx will be 2p dp. So cut it here. So dx will be p by 2. Dx will be p by 2. Say 1 by 6 already existing outside. So 1 by 6 into 1 by 2 integral. Instead of dx is equal to p by 2 dp. So instead of dx we will write only p dp. Only p dp. P dp. And what about square root of 4x plus 3? 4x plus 3 is equal to p square. So square root of 4x plus 3 again only p. So p into p, it gives us only p square. Okay, p square. Similarly, this part also we can write. This is plus. So we can take this part as t also. You can, same thing we will get. So 1 by 6 into 2 integral t square dt. It's better to explain like this. Okay. Then what we will get? 1 by 12 p cube by 3 plus 1 by 12 t cube by 3 plus c. P means what? P means 4x plus 3 under root. Since it is cube, so it will be 3 by 2. So it is 1 by 12. Make it 1 by 36. 1 by 36, and p means 4x plus 3 whole cube is there. So it will be only 3 by 2 as it is. Okay, 3 by 2, and here also the same 1 by 36 4x minus 3 whole to the power 3 by 2 plus c. This is the answer. This is sum number 15 only. Okay. Next, sum number 18. Sum number 18. What's the question? Integral x into cube root of x plus 2 dx. Okay. What we will do? Since it is cubic root of x plus 2, so put x plus 2 is equal to p cube. Therefore, dx will be 3p square dp. So, instead of dx, we will put 3p square dp, therefore I is equal to, and instead of x what we will write, p cube minus 2. This is coming p cube minus 2, and cube root of this part is again only p, and dx means 3p square dp. Understood? X means p cube minus 2. Cube root of x plus 2 means only x plus, cube root of x plus 2 means only p, and dx means 3p square dp. Understood? Now one by one, this is coming then 3, this 3 take it outside the integral part, 3, and this coming p cube. So p cube minus 2 into p cube dp. Just do the multiplication. This coming p to the power 6 minus 2p cube. Keep this in the bracket. So, is equal to 3 integral p to the power 6 dp minus 6 integral p cube dp. So, it is coming 3 p to the power 7 by 7 minus 6 p to the power 4 by 4 plus c. Just put the value of p now. So, what we will get? Answer we will get as 3 by 7 x plus 2, as it is power 7, and cube root of this is 7 third, minus 3 by 2 x plus 2 4 third. Why? Because p cube is equals to, we have taken x plus 2, and it is p to the power 4, obviously it will be x plus 2 plus c. Don't forget to write the constant of integration, it's very important. Okay, next sum number 23. Integral x to the power 6 by x minus 1 dx. It's there. So what we will do? X to the power 6 is there, and here it is x minus 1. It's better write it in the form of x to the power 6 minus 1 plus 1 divided by x minus 1 dx. Okay. Then what we will do? X to the power 6 minus 1 by x minus 1. Just split it up by 1 by x minus 1 dx. It will be easier for us. And x to the power 6 means what? X to the power 6 means we can write this as x square cube. X square cube minus 1 cube. So a cube minus b cube. X square cube means, can write x square cube minus 1 cube whole divided by x minus 1 dx plus 1 by integral 1 by x minus 1 dx means we know it is log x minus 1. Okay, now this part we have to expand. A cube minus b cube formula is what? A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So a minus b means only a square minus b. that is 1. A minus b into a square means x to the power 4 plus ab means x square plus b square means 1 whole divided by x minus 1 plus log x minus 1, and this is dx obviously. Okay, now x square minus 1, so we can expand this as x plus 1 into x minus 1. So x minus 1 we will get in the numerator and x minus 1 already existing in the denominator. So these two terms will be then cancelled. Okay, then what we will get in the numerator, x plus 1 into the whole. We will get in the numerator x plus 1 you will get x plus 1 into this x to the power 4, this is x to the power 4 plus x square plus 1, this is dx, and log x minus 1 already we have got. Okay, just multiply this and then expand in the form of integration. X into x plus to the power 4 is coming x to the power 5, then x to the power 4, then x, then x to the power 4, then x square plus 1. Then just split all the integral like this, then we will get the answer. X into x to the power 4, the first part what we will get? First part we will get at x to the power 5. So it will be obviously x to the power 6 by 6. Integral x to the power 5, x to the power 6. Next part is x into x cube, that is x to the power 3. And here x to the power 4 into 1, so it is coming x to the power 4 means x to the power. Integral x to the power 4 means x to the power 5 by 5. Similarly, we will get all. Just we will get in this way. Do this part on your own. It's very simple. That is x plus log x minus 1 plus c. That will be the answer. This expansion part do on your own. Very simple part. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. The next one. Okay. Okay, let's made up the board. Then we will do sum number 26. Okay, sum number 26 coming with the new video.